Students, let us see this binomial distribution. That is what you are going to learn today. That is a binomial distribution. Okay, binomial distribution. In that we are going to learn the first point is Bernoulli trials. Bernoulli trials. What is the meaning of Bernoulli trials? Suppose an experiment is taken place n number of times, 5 times, 10 times, 6 times, 7 times, 100 times. Suppose if you have a coin, you have tossed 100 times, you have tossed it. So I want to know how many times I got head. I want to know how many times I got tail. So if you have tossed 100 times and you want to know how many times head you got, how many times tail you got, that is what we called as Bernoulli trials. Okay. So you want to know that concept. Based on that concept you are going to learn this. Experiment is taken, an experiment is there, an experiment is taken place n times, n trials. Okay, an experiment is taken place as n trials. Each trial has only two outcomes. What only two outcomes? What are the outcomes? That is, the outcomes are success and failures. Okay, so an experiment is taken place n times. An experiment is taken place n times, and in that only two things you will find. One is the success, one is the failure. Probability of success we denote by P. Probability of failure we denote by Q. Probability of success we denote by P. Probability of failure we denoted by Q. Okay. Suppose I have tossed a coin 10 times. 10 times I tossed a coin. 10 times. Okay. How many times I have done? 10 times. 10 times I tossed a coin. Okay. Tossed it. Tossed a coin. Okay. A coin is tossed 10 times. A coin is tossed 10 times. Getting head is my success. Getting head is my success. Getting head is a success, you think, and getting tail is a failure. Okay, getting tail is a failure. So these things we are going to learn in this chapter, success and failure things. So if I toss 10 times a coin, how many times I get head? Means how many times I get a success? How many times I get a tail? Means how many times I get a failure. It may be, suppose I tossed 10 times a coin, all the 10 times I got head, means all 10 times I got a success. Maybe 5 times I got head, 5 times I got a tail, means 5 times I got success, in that 5 times I got a failure. That is what. If you want to know the failure and success parts of any experiment, we use the Bernoulli trials. What we use here? Bernoulli trials, we will use it. So here, what we will use here, only two things. One is the success and one is the failure. Okay, success and failure. Okay, we are going to use only two things. That is, one is success, one is failure. Okay, so this is in this case. Now an experiment taken place how many times? 10 times. Suppose an experiment is taken place 10 times. In that I got head. Let us take I got head 8 times. Okay, and I got tail, that is 2 times. So what is the probability of my success? Probability of success we called as P. The probability of success will be how much? 8 by 10, means 8 times I got head, so 8 by 10 is my success. What is the probability of failure? What is the probability of failure? I got tail 2 times, that is 2 by 10 is the failure. So the failure will be 1 by 5, and here the success will be, here we can write 4 times, we can cancel 5 times, 4 by 5. So the probability of failure plus success, you can see 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is always 1. So probability of failure plus probability of success is always 1. I just tell you once again to understand this concept clearly. Suppose I tossed a coin 100 times. I tossed a coin is 100 times. In that I got 80 times head. So getting head is my success. The getting head is my success. This is my success. So getting tail is my failure. This is my failure. So failure. It means an experiment has done 100 times. So in that 80 times I got head and 20 times I got tail. So to find the probability that getting head, to find the probability to getting head, what is the probability of getting head? What is the probability of, means what is the probability of success? What is the probability of failure? To know that, we will use the Bernoulli's concept. We will use the Bernoulli concept. That is, the probability of getting success is equal to, formula is NCR P to the power of R into Q to the power of N minus R. If I want to find the, in this first experiment, I have tossed a coin 10 times. In that I got head 8 times. I got tail 2 times. I said getting head is my success. Getting tail is the failure. In that I want to know what is the probability of getting success. Means what is the probability of getting head. That is the success. That is a success. That is the probability of getting a success. Okay, so if I want to find what is the probability of getting my success, that is, I can use this formula NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of N minus R. What is the N here? N is taken the experiment 10 times, so 10 C. What is R here? Experiment taken how many times here? Okay, in that what is R? Getting head. Head is the R. Success is R. So success is R here. That is 8. 10C 8. Okay. Okay. So here success is 8, you suppose. So getting head is the success. You think here the 8 we cannot say here. In this case 8 we cannot say, because these cases will appear another ways. I will explain in the next lecture, because getting head means I can get head in the first case, second case. This cases we have to check. So this is I will explain later. Means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I am going to get like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Like this we are going to get it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And tail, I may get tail. Like that many chances is there. I get head, tail, then head. So if I want to count this, how many I will get? How many combination these I will get? Heads are 8 times and tails are 2 times. In the starting only tails will get, then after I will get heads. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 head. Otherwise I will get head and I will get tail, and then I will get all the heads. So this is also possible, na? All 10 times should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This many, all this possibility is there. That is indicating 10C8. 10C8 means getting head 10. In out of 10 things, 10C8 we can use getting head. And P is what we can use here. P is here. P can be used here. P is suppose getting head is my success, then R is equal to success I am taking, that is R is equal to 8. So here P is what here we can use here. P is that nothing but 4 by 5 to the power of 8, 4 by 5 to the power of 8, and Q is 1 by 5 to the power of 1 by 5 to the power of 1 by 5 to the power of how much here? 1 by 5 to the power of here N minus R, that is 10 minus 8 2. So this is the probability of getting head. Probability of getting head, that is head is the success if I suppose. So the probability of that is 10C8 4 by 5 whole power 8 1 by 5 whole square. To make you better understanding, I will give you small example so you will understand clearly this. Okay, so actually if I want to know success or failure, we use this formula. So probability of getting a success formula is what? Probability of getting a success, that is equal to formula NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of N minus R. Suppose the N is equal to one die is there. A die is rolled 5 times. A die is rolled 5 times. So is what I want to say is getting number 6. Getting number 6 is the success. Okay, this is my success. Getting number 6 is my success. So what is other things we are going to get? 1 2 3 4 5. This is my failure. So this is I am going to get 5 places. So probability of success, if I take 1 by 6, because if I throw a die, I am going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that, getting 6 is my success, so probability is 1 by 6. And q is equal to failure. Failure is how much here? Failure is nothing but 5 by 6. How I will get here? P plus q is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. If I say what number of time, in the previous question also, what I said here, I have done an experiment 10 times, okay, and I have done experiment 10 times. In that that the head is coming how many times? Head is came 8 times, 8 times, and tail is came how many times? That is 2 times. So probability getting the, suppose they don't give you about tail, they will give you only success. They will give you getting success is 8. Getting success is 8. Find the probability of getting success. So they'll ask like that. So that situations we will find here. So like here, if the getting number 6 is a success, that is 1 by 6, and probability of getting failure is 5 by 6. Suppose you got a, how many number of times you got a, suppose if I am throwing a head getting, that is 8 times only, success is 8 times. Because I have 8 times head means 8 times I get success. In this case, what I am going to get here, suppose getting the success is 3. What is the getting a success is 3. Then what is the probability of getting probability of success? Getting the probability of 6 means, in the sense, what I want to say here, if I thrown 5 times a die, I repeat once again, try to understand this concept. If I thrown the die 5 times, maybe the first time I get 6, second time I get 6, third time I get 6. So what time I am getting 6, that is my success. Or I did not get 6 only, means there is no success in that. There is no success in that. If I thrown a die 5 times, I did not get 1 time also 6, means there is no success in that. But if I throw a die, if I get 6 first time, second time, third time, so I got the success 3 times. If I have thrown the die 10 times, in that I got 2 times only 6, then my success is 2 times I got. Likewise, if I say that if I have thrown a die, and that the result is getting 6 is my success, that is 3 times happened, 3 times, then find the probability of getting the success, probability of the success. Then what do you do here? Probability of the success, that is getting success, is 3 times, that is getting 6 is 3 times. Then the probability of that is NCR. N is how much here? 5. C, R is how much? 3. And here P is how much? 1 by 6. To the power of R is 3. Q is how much here? Q is how much here? Q is 5 by 6 to the power of 5 minus 3, that is 2. So this is my answer. 5C3 value. 5 into 5C3 value, 5 factorial by, the formula will be 5 factorial by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. This is what I am going to get the probability of getting 6 3 times, means probability of getting success 3 times, probability of getting success 3 times. Why you got this formula like this? Simply I can say here, the simplest way I can tell you this one is, see here, you are throwing a die. Okay, so I may get success, failure, because I am doing 5 times, I am throwing 5 times. So I may get success, failure. I may get a failure, success. I may get a success, failure, success. Like that I get, na? I may get, what I get, one more thing, what I get here? Success, okay. Success, failure, success, like that I get, na? Because 5 times when I am throwing, maybe first 3 times I get 6, maybe last 3 times I get 6, first time is 6, 2 times I did not get 6, next last 2 times I get 6, like this, all this combination is we called as a success. So how you come to know how many times you got this means, by using the permutations and combinations. See here, the total letters of this word is, suppose you take this is as a considered as a word, and 5 letters word. In the 3 are repeating, 2 are repeating. So what is the number of permutations here? Total letters are 5. So 5 factorial by 5 factorial by s is repeating 3 times, so 3 factorial, f is repeating 2 times, the 2 factorial. So the number of these type of arrangements will be 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. That is indicates NCR. It means this NCR says that how many times I got S, where I got S. So this is indicates that one. This is the easiest way. And one more thing here, see here, if I am taking S, F. So S is getting 1 by 6. S is getting 1 by 6. Now it is 1 by 6. It is getting 1 by 6. F is getting how much? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. See here, in this formula if you substitute 1 by 6 you got 3 times. So 1 by 6 power 3. 5 by 6 you got 2 times, so 5 by 6 whole square. So this is verified result. Just this is things, don't remember these all the things, just you remember this formula, that's enough. This is I verified. I just verified with an experiment here. You don't need to verify that all the things, just you can remember this is probability of success is equal to NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of N minus R, where R is called as probability of success. R is nothing but success. R is nothing but success. So here R is nothing but success. R is equal to nothing but success. Okay, R is nothing but success. N is equal to number of trials. P is here success. P is here success. P is here success. And Q is here failure. And R is here number of times I got success, means how many times I got success. R is nothing but number of times success. Number of times you got success in that experiment. Like in the previous lecture I told, I tossed the coin 10 times. In that I got the head 8 times and I got the tail 2 times. Means head getting is my success, that head will get 8 times. So here the number of success is 8 here, and the success, the probability of success is 8 by 10. Probability of success is 8 by 10. But the number of success is 8, means how many times I am getting head, that is my success. Okay. So probability of this, probability of your finding of this one, probability of the here is this 8 by 10. Okay. So probability when you are getting, probability of getting head is 8 by 10. Probability of getting tail is 2 by 10, like that we'll do. You will understand in next lecture. You can just watch in next lecture. Just remember this formula, it's enough. Just remember the formula, that is N is the number of times the experiment is happen. R is the you are going to get that is number of times you got the success. P is the success and Q is the failure. Okay, hope you understand. Till then, take